Hello everyone and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Locke and I'm a holistic therapist, Reiki master, tantric educator and practicing shaman with over 30 years of experience. I'm deeply passionate about my work and business and hope I can share some of the insight and experience I've acquired over the years with you. Whether you are a new therapist just starting out, an experienced one looking to gain new skills and knowledge, or you simply have an interest in holistic therapy and are interested in learning more about it, I hope you're able to find the guidance you're looking for. In the following videos, I will be covering many topics related to massage and holistic therapies, and all questions and comments are appreciated. Please subscribe for details of further upcoming videos which I will be releasing. You can contact me via my websites, yourinaglow.co.uk or yourtantrictouch.co.uk, on Facebook at You're in a Glow, or via Instagram at You're in a Glow Therapy, the details and links of which are shown below. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Bye for now and have a lovely day.